I've been teaching group fitness classes for years. With DrumFIT, you have to figure out music and the right music and the right tempo, and that's kind of like a challenge.
Seen videos about it before, and I was like, oh, it's in the Spectrum, and here we are. Yeah, so I really enjoyed it. I will be coming back. May not be able to walk tomorrow, but
It's not my class, it's the people there. So the more people I have, I get energy bounce from them. That's why I like it, because I can get anyone and anybody. It's the people that makes it fun.